Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Learning Word with Ms. Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to add or insert a picture into a Microsoft Word document. So here is a piece of document about birds taken from National Geographic. So I am going, this is about two birds, the American goldfinch and the honey guide. So I want to add a picture for these two. Let's start doing that. So anywhere you want to insert a picture, click there and then go to insert, then picture, okay? Then you can add this. All right, so you can do that. That's one way. And then now if I try to move this picture anywhere, it won't move. So what you're doing in that case is click on this one, on this square, then choose one of these wrapping options. So because this document now contains text and a picture, it will allow you to position this picture relative to the text anywhere, okay? So that's one. Now you can resize this picture. As you can see, this picture seems to be big. It doesn't fit here. So you can do a number of things. You can resize this one here, okay? Or you don't have to do that. You can keep the normal size, the previous size, and then go again, right click here to wrapping options. You can choose top and bottom, okay? So top and bottom. Now, right after this. So we top and bottom, you can position it anywhere in the middle here, but Microsoft Word, because of the wrapping option we have chosen, it has understood that the text should appear above and below the image, okay? So we have different wrapping options. This is one wrapping option. I'll show you the second way. Second way you can add a picture is, again, go to insert, okay? And then go to shapes. Click here on the shape. This has other important uses, which we will see in the future tutorial. But for now, let me show you how you can insert a picture on a shape, okay? So format shape, right click on the shape and format shape. Then this will take you to fill. If it comes just like this, just click the fill part and then go to picture fill. Now, since this is a picture that I chose previously, it's already there in the clipboard. So change this one, honey guide, okay? Now I have this picture. With a shape, it's much easier to move the picture than when it is alone, okay? You can see without having to specify any wrapping options, I can easily move it. And in regarding the outer outlines, you can say no outline, so it doesn't show any outline, okay? So you can do that. Now you can move this picture also and position it anywhere you want. Now let's say we want this one, the picture, to be appearing in the middle of this text, okay? So how do we do that? First of all, we can now crop this one using a different shape. So because if it is circular shape, it would look even more prettier, right? Let's do that. Crop to circle. Now this picture is cropped to circle shape, okay? Now we have to tell Microsoft Word that this picture should appear surrounded by the text, okay? So I can do that just right clicking here or on the corner. The corner, right clicking on it is much better because it shows you all the options here. All right, so I'm going to choose tight, okay? And then put it here. Then I can start resizing the image so it fits in very well. So that's one way you can wrap the image on the text, okay? All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.